Life is stressful and uncomfortable when your little one is sick with a cough. During baby's first year, dust and other irritants are new to their developing systems and it causes coughing. It can affect your baby's sleep. If your baby is feeding and drinking normally and there is no wheezing, a cough is not usually anything to worry about. If your baby has a high fever, especially if he is coughing, see your doctor. You can use different methods and home remedies to stop coughing, make your babies happy and comfortable. Steam can work wonders for baby coughing, since it helps break up the mucus. Run a hot shower until the bathroom has filled with steam, then sit with your child in the steam room for 10 to 15 minutes. If the air in your home is dry, you can also use a humidifier near baby's bed overnight to keep the air from drying out. Make sure baby drinks plenty of liquids to stay hydrated. Keeping your baby hydrated is key to keeping their mucus flowing and easy to cough up. Babies under 6 months should only drink breast milk, not water or juice. But you may offer more milk than usual for coughs or colds, because breast milk contains antibodies that help the baby's body to build immunity against germs, viruses, and bacteria. Honey soothes sore throats and eases coughs. For babies 12 months or older, you might try giving them a small amount of honey. Give your baby 1 teaspoon of honey before bedtime. But never give it to a baby less than a year old. It can make them very ill. When your baby is suffering from a cough, cold, or respiratory infection, a chest massage with oil may help provide some relief from their symptoms. A chest massage can improve breathing of your baby. Cough syrup in babies helps to thin and loosen mucus in the lungs, making it easier to cough up the mucus. It can work by suppressing the cough reflex in the brain. Zabi's baby cough syrup made with organic agave to soothe coughs due to hoarseness, dry throats, and irritants. This helps to clear mucus when coughing and support baby immune system. Take as needed, not to exceed 2 servings per 24 hours. Take it in daytime and nighttime. An oral syringe is the best way to give your baby liquid medicine. Put the syringe in your baby's mouth and let them suck the medicine. Squirt some medicine into their inner cheek. Repeat the steps until you have given the full dose. So by using given methods and products, you can easily treat your baby's cough.